How to create VSCO account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create VSCO account. VSCO, also known as Visual Supply Company, is a photo and video editing application that allows users to enhance their images with a variety of filters, editing tools, and presets. Here's how you can create an account on VSCO. First of all, ensure that you have already downloaded the VSCO application on your mobile device. Now once you have downloaded it, tap on the application to open it. Once you open the application, you will reach to this interface. Here in the very bottom, you will find See More options. Tap on this option, and then from the bottom, you will be presented with this window. Here you will be able to sign up for VSCO with Google, Snapchat, Facebook, and with email. Here I am going with sign up with email option at the very bottom. Tap on this button, and once you do that, you will be taken to the sign up page. Here you need to enter your credentials such as your email address, profile name, password, and your birthday. Start by entering your email first and add your profile name. After that, create a strong password for your VSCO account. Make sure it is 8 characters long. After that, tap on this birthday field, and here you need to slide this to select the birthday. Once you have selected your birthday, tap on this set option right here, and after adding all the credentials, tap on this sign up button. Once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here if you want, you can also be a VSCO member. After this VSCO membership, it will offer you additional features and tools for enhancing photo and videos. If you don't want it right now, you may also tap on this cross button at the top left of the screen. Now you will reach to this page. Here you will need to verify your email address. For that, you need to tap on this check verification button, or if you want to skip this step for now, you may also tap on verify later button at the very bottom and then proceed further. In this page, you will need to manage your permissions. You will need to allow the permissions for photos, camera, location, and contacts. Make sure the toggle buttons at the right side is switched on. After that, tap on this continue button at the very bottom, and then you will need to grant permission to take pictures and record video for VSCO, as well as you will also be prompted to access the device location and photos and videos. Tap on this allow all to grant permission. Once doing that, now you will reach to this page from where now you can edit the photos and videos. So now you can start uploading photos, editing them, and exploring the community. So by following these steps, you should be able to create VSCO account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.